Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grubhub for food deliveries. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in using Grubhub, but don't know exactly how it works. So essentially how it works is that first you sign up via Gmail, Facebook, download the app, of course. And so if you don't know how to do that, you simply just go into the App Store, search for Grubhub. This is the Grubhub app, and then go ahead and download it. Now, once you have it downloaded, this is what the homepage is going to look like. Let's first go into accounts on the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to set up a few different things here. We're going to set up our payment method. So go ahead and click on payment and then click on add a new payment method. So from here, you can add Cash App, credit card, Amazon Pay, or PayPal. Once you set up your payment method, the next thing that you need to do is add your addresses. So click on addresses, and here I just have some former addresses, but you can click on add a new address and then go ahead and save it. Now afterwards, go back to the home page on the bottom left-hand corner, and this is where you can start searching for food, convenience, or alcohol. So let's type in Thai food here. So we're just going to type in Thai, and it's going to show a variety of different restaurants that are nearby. The first listing is always a sponsored listing, so I usually always skip those unless you're actually genuinely interested in it. But let's go ahead and click on Archie's Thai Bistro. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and order. So we're just going to say that we're going to order a pad see ew, and then we're going to need to choose a spice level. So usually there's some required selections that are required for certain meals. We're going to choose vegetables, and then we're going to click on add to bag. So now we've added an order to our cart. We're going to click on view order. And then from here, you can indicate if you need to include utensils and napkins. You can add a tip to your driver as well, and then click on continue to checkout. Afterwards, once you finish that, so right now we have some blurred out information, just go ahead and confirm that your contact info and your delivered to address is correct. For delivery speed, I always do standard. I really don't think it's worth doing priority. And then delivery instructions are important. So if you want them to leave it at your door, if there's a gate code, if there's a certain part number, you can actually indicate notes for the driver. Select your payment method, add a promo code, and then click on checkout. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Grubhub delivery app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next